My name's Bob Coughlin. I'm President and CEO of MassBio. Welcome to the Life Cycle Massachusetts Pavilion. How about a big round of applause for this wonderful pavilion? All of our host committee members that made this possible, thank you very much. And to the team from MassBio, the team from the Mass Life Sciences Center, and all the teams that pitched in to make this happen, thank you so much. And thank you to President and CEO Greenwood from Bio. Jim Greenwood's here as well, ladies and gentlemen. This show has been amazing. How about a big round of applause for Bio in this convention? Isn't it amazing? It's the best one yet. For those of you who are joining us here in the Mass Pavilion for the first time, we welcome you. Take a minute between eating your chowder to explore this exhibit, which focuses on the folks at the center of why we all do what we do, the patients. Speaking of chowder, I'd like to thank some folks who made this possible. Thermo Fisher, the world leader in serving science-based right here in Waltham, Massachusetts, is our host, and you're going to hear from their CEO, Mark Casper, in just a bit. But how about a big round of applause for Thermo Fisher Scientific? I'd also like to thank the South Coast Partnership for the scallops. How about a round of applause for the South Coast Partnership and the scallops? That's a tough one to put together. Legal Seafoods for the chowder. Big round of applause for Legals. And the Boston Beer Company for the Sam Adams and Ear Gas for our special effects here today that you're going to see later. Finally, I hope you guys have entered to win our raffles, because we're going to draw those prizes in a little bit when Mark Casper comes up to speak. And without further ado, I'd like to welcome the gentleman who's playing host to all of us here this week and a real advocate for innovation, Boston's Mayor, Mayor Thomas Menino.
Thank you, Bob. Thank you all for being here. Isn't this pavilion a great piece of work? Thank you, Bobby. Thank you, Governor. Thank you all. It's great to be here at the Massachusetts Pavilion, talk about Boston's life science story as we go forward. We are hosting the Bio Conference at a perfect time. New life science companies are starting up and moving here. In a few hours, we'll welcome 14 recent arrivals to the city of Boston. We are deploying new programs to train hundreds of workers to make sure biotech companies in Boston will always find great talent. And Boston is #1 for the 17th straight year in NIH funding, including $1.7 billion in 2011. Boston's success at NIH funding doesn't happen by accident. It's a result of commitment by the federal government, state government, city government to invest in the critical research that's necessary to help work with the federal government, make sure those funds come to us. And a commitment by people here in Boston to say that our city is the best place to do business. Is that right? Some mayors are here, they can't say that. Where is he? We can't let the feds turn their back on this commitment. We can't turn our backs on ourselves. I pledge to you all, I will go to bat every day for this important research funding, because it saves lives. From the patients who get cures to lab technicians who get jobs. I just want to thank Bobby Coughlin and the team that's put this meeting together. I've been to 5 of these in the last several years. This is the best one I've been to, and because, of course, it's in Boston, right? We're the best. We always have the best meetings here, best conventions. We always attract the most people. And now I have the opportunity to introduce my partner. And why does Massachusetts have a low unemployment rate? Why are we out there attracting new business to our city? Because of the partnership. In most states, it's not the state and the cities working together. But in Massachusetts, we have a unique thing going for us. The governor works with all the municipalities of Massachusetts. We work to bring jobs and do the work that's necessary to make this a great state. And my friend, your friend, a guy who works every day to bring more jobs to Massachusetts, our Governor, Deval Patrick.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. I just want to concur. This is a terrific partnership, and the things any of us do that do good in the lives of our communities and the people of Massachusetts we do together. And I feel blessed, and I hope you do, that we have such terrific leadership and such marvelous partnership in Mayor Menino. Thank you, Mr. Mayor. To Bobby Coughlin. To Susan Wyndham Bannister, the inspired leader of the Life Sciences Center. To all of you who are partners in our work in growing the economy and growing opportunities and changing the human condition through the life sciences. I see so many familiar faces here. You all know how I feel about this. I said it a minute ago, I say it often. This is about shaping our own future, making our own economic way, changing the face of healing, offering the opportunity for people to lead fuller lives, making opportunity broadly available to everyone. That's what the Life Sciences Initiative is about. That is why this supercluster has caught fire and is spreading and is becoming well known, and deservedly so, as the international destination for the life sciences and biotech, and we intend to keep that going. I want to welcome you all to this evening's welcome reception. The bar is open, the scallops and the chowder are flowing. What? No, it's already paid for, man. Jeez. That's right, I picked up the tab for lunch. Back off. It's a teasing partnership, let me put it that way. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful time. Let me just close with one bit of business. We have representatives here from the Life Sciences Center, from the Massachusetts Technology Collaborative. Pamela Goldberg is here. From the Clean Energy Center, from our Economic Development team. They are here to help answer questions and to encourage the collaboration that makes all of this work. Make the most of it. Introduce yourself to someone you don't already know. Find out about what they're doing. Tell them about what you're doing. There are folks here from the universities, of which there are nearly 300 within an hour and a half of where we stand right now, from venture capital, from the venture capital community. Please, we are interested in being your partner. Let us help you take advantage of this time and have a wonderful time. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much, Governor. How about a big round of applause for the best governor that the Commonwealth of Massachusetts has ever had? And the best mayor that the city of Boston has ever had. How's that? They're certainly friendly to the industry and they care about patients, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Next, I have the pleasure to introduce someone who made this event possible, Mr. Mark Casper, President and CEO of Thermo Fisher Scientific. We recognized very early in our planning for the bio that this convention was a real opportunity to showcase the depth and breadth of the life sciences industry here in Massachusetts. Thermo Fisher's roots are right here in the Commonwealth. Their global headquarters are here. They're a $12 billion a year company with 39,000 employees around the world, and their history goes back 56 years. We at MassBio are grateful to partner with the company's Fisher Scientific Laboratory Supply Channel to ensure that Massachusetts companies have access to the highest quality, best value equipment and consumables to do the important research work that they do. We truly appreciate the commitment that Thermo Fisher has made here, and at MassBio, we are more than happy to partner with them. Mark?
So thank you, Bob, and Governor Patrick, Mayor Menino. Always a privilege to participate in such an important event with you. The members of the Mass Biotech Council are playing a major role in growing our life sciences and biotech community here in the state, and Thermo Fisher Scientific is excited to be part of it. As Bob mentioned, we're based here in Massachusetts. We have about 1,400 employees in the Commonwealth across 15 different locations. And our newest facility we opened up just last week in Tewksbury, where I had the opportunity to share the stage with Senator Kerry and Governor Patrick, as well as Bob, that graciously helped us establish that important center here in Mass. Our company's track record of success has been fueled by access to some of the best talent and close proximity to the renowned universities and companies here in Massachusetts, and that is really very, very exciting. We've benefited substantially from the work of the Mass Biotech Council as well as the Massachusetts Life Sciences Center. Like us, they're committed to advancing science and technology in ways that reach far beyond Massachusetts. Let me spend a moment just on that partnership with MassBio. It's been an ongoing partnership for the last 10 years, and we think it's an incredibly influential organization. We work closely with the members as the preferred laboratory supplier through our Fisher Scientific channel. And that relationship has made it easier for our customers to focus on doing their important research as opposed to a lot of the logistics that go with procuring products for the laboratories. And we have a unique collaboration with MassBio in terms of the Mass Biotech Education Foundation and the Mass Life Sciences Center to help students pursue careers in science by helping them have their labs equipped with state-of-the-art equipment. And this partnership is very much aligned with our company's mission. I'm pleased to announce today that we are recommitting to our support of Mass BioEd again in 2012. Because we're a global company, we have partnerships like the one with MassBio in 8 different states across the country and in many similar organizations around the world. All of these partnerships have opened the door to numerous opportunities for us to serve our customers in the biotech community. We're proud of our contributions to the significant development that goes on within biotech in terms of the global economy, and our mission is to help our customers make the world healthier, cleaner, and safer. And I thought I'd spend just a second highlighting the healthier aspects of what we do before wrapping up and turning to the raffle. At our BRIM Center here in Cambridge, we're collaborating with research universities to use mass spectrometry to identify and verify biomarkers of various diseases. Our clinical trials logistics business continues to grow, and we support biotech companies through the important process of getting experimental medicines through the clinic. Today, our pharmaceutical, biotech, and academic researchers in the life sciences field represent $6 billion of our $12 billion of global revenue, so an incredibly important focus for the company. And we're very excited to be part of the Pavilion here and a Bio International's presence here in Massachusetts. So let me once again thank you, Bob, and Governor Patrick and Mayor Menino for putting the spotlight on the life sciences work here in Massachusetts. And with that, I'm going to have Bob come back, and together we'll draw the winners.
All right. How about a big round of applause for Mark Casper from Thermo Fisher?